So this is one of the groups of primary 5 who have been competing in this great reciting poem contest. Now they are going to recite all together the poem again. You're gonna start.
Autumn leaves, green leaves, yellow leaves, red leaves and brown, all falling, all languishing the town. Oak leaves, maple leaves, apple leaves and air, all falling, all whispering, all autumn's in the air. Big leaves, little leaves, pointed leaves and round, all falling, all nestling, all garbaging the ground. This poem is from Leland B. Jacobs, 1993.
Well done